Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your YouTube channel to your Discord. So in this case you have to open or log in your Discord first, then click on user settings. Under user settings you will find here connections, this option. Go to connections and here you will find different types of account. Just click here view more and you'll find here YouTube. Click on YouTube. Make sure you are joined from browser. Okay, do not just join or log in from Chrome browser. Then choose your account, which account you want to add, like this account. Click on this again, scroll down and you'll find allow, this one. Okay, now you can see that your YouTube is connected here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can connect your YouTube to Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.